Hey, today I'm going to be reviewing Remington's heated rollers. I got this off Amazon and I'm excited to try it out. I was looking for heated rollers that I could use because me personally, I don't really like using flexi rods or perm rods just because they're not very comfortable to sleep in, and I wanted something that I could use and get results instantly without having to go under a dryer. So I did some research and I came across this, so I'm testing it out today and I want to see what my results are and if I'll continue to use them and if I would recommend it. So my hair is washed, blow dried, and flat iron because I want the curls to be pretty sleek. So I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna let you know how it turns out. So the rollers are heated now, so I'm gonna start putting them in my hair. They come with these little pins to kind of clip it in place, so just gonna start putting them in. They're really hot, so you just want to be careful when using these. Keep your fingers on the ends because the center is hot. So I think I'm going to just roll them like this. I'm gonna curl them away from my face. Just keep rolling. So, just applying clip like so. And there you go. I got one in. So now I'm gonna do the rest and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so I'm done putting the rollers in. I'm just gonna let them set for about 20 minutes before I take them out. I do want to say though, I feel like there weren't enough rollers. I had to part my hair in big pieces so that there would be enough rollers for my head. So if you have thicker hair, that is something you might want to consider. There might not be enough rollers for your whole head. I used the rollers come with 6 small rollers, which is what I have in the front, and then 6 bigger ones, which I put in the back. So the smaller rollers will have tighter curls and the bigger rollers will have looser curls. So the bigger chunks that I made, I just used the bigger rollers for that. But that is something that you should keep in mind if you decide to buy this, or just get 2 packs so that you have enough. So I'll be back when it's ready. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes now, and as you can see, I took 1 roller down. The curl is a little bit looser than I expected. I mean, I did use the bigger roller for the back and a bigger part because I didn't have enough rollers. So I'm gonna take down the rest and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is what they look like. Not as defined as I expected, but like I said before, I had to make larger parts, and I feel like you'll get more defined curls with the smaller rollers. So in the future, I think I'm going to order more of the smaller ones so I have more defined curls, and maybe leaving it in a little longer will help. But yeah, overall, I mean, they're pretty good. They just add volume, so if you just want a little bit of volume, a little oomph, you know, they definitely do that. So yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it informative. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.